Hello students, I hope that you are doing great. So today we will look at two side triangles, and we'll begin with side similarity test. Remember that we are looking at similar triangles, okay? And we said that two triangles are similar if the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal and if the corresponding angles are equal. But this time around, we are going to focus on the sides. How can we look at the sides of the two triangles and we tell that these two triangles are similar? Now, let's first check their ratios. Okay. So the corresponding sides are PR and DF. PR corresponds with DF. So that will be 8 out of 4, and this will give us 2. Now, next, another corresponding side, we have QR and EF. QR, EF. So that is 6 out of 3, and that will be 2. The last one is QP and ED. So QP is 4, ED is 2, and then we get also 2. Now we can see that all the ratios of corresponding sides are equal. Now, since all the corresponding sides have the same ratio, what do you think about angles? Now, get a protractor and measure these angles. Remember, the corresponding angles are D corresponds with P. Angle F corresponds with angle R. Then angle E corresponds with angle Q. So let's measure angle EDF and QPR. Okay. Now, EDF is 48 degrees and even QPR is 48 degrees. Now let's check DFE, DFE and PRQ, PRQ. Okay. Now you can see that DFE is 29 degrees, and you can also see that PQR is 29 degrees. Now let us check DEF, DEF and PQR, PQR. DEF, you can see that it is 103, then also PQR is 103 degrees. Now you can also note that all corresponding angles are equal. So this actually tells us that these two triangles are similar. Okay? Since the ratios of corresponding sides are equal and also the corresponding angles are equal, it means that the two triangles are similar. Since the ratios of the corresponding sides, we have DF and PR. Then we have EF and QR. Then we have ED and QP. So since the ratios of these corresponding sides are equal, and also all corresponding angles, are equal, that is, EDF corresponds with PQR, and you can see both of them measure 48 degrees. DFE and PQR, they both measure 29 degrees and they are corresponding. DEF and PQR are corresponding and both measure 103 degrees. So you can see that they are all equal. So then the two triangles are similar. Then triangle DEF and triangle PQR are similar. So students, what do you think? If we have all the sides of two triangles, is it enough to tell us that these two triangles are similar? Yes, if we have all the sides and we check the ratios of corresponding sides, they are equal, then the two triangles are similar, because when the corresponding sides have the same ratios, then automatically the corresponding angles will be equal, and then the two triangles will be similar. Now we can conclude and say that if the three ratios of corresponding sides of two triangles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. Let us get an example. Complete the proof to show that the following two triangles are similar. Now let us first get the corresponding sides. The corresponding sides are AB corresponds with TU, and then that will be 7.5 out of 3, and 7.5 out of 3 we get 2.5. Okay, then another one we have AC corresponding with TS, so that will give us 10 out of 4, which is also 2.5. Okay. Then lastly, we have BC corresponding with US. So that will be 15 out of 6, and that will be 2.5. Okay. Now that you can see that all ratios of corresponding sides are equal, then it means that these two triangles are similar. Okay. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle TUS. This is because all the ratios of corresponding sides are equal. Let us get example number 2. Okay. Now, complete the proof to show that the following two triangles are similar. Okay. So, let us get the corresponding sides. So, we have ZY out of AB. So that will be 5 out of 7.5. And this will give us 2 out of 3. Next we have AC out of ZX. This will be 6 out of 9. And this will give us 2 out of 3. The last one we have BC out of YX, and this will give us 8 out of 12. This will be 2 out of 3. Remember, we need to consider the corresponding sides. So for this case, you can see that all the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal. So if they are equal, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle ZYX. Now I hope that you have understood. I want you to go to exercise 3B and answer questions 1, then number 2, question 2, then number 2, question 3, number 2, and question 6. When you finish, please take a photo and send to our group line. Thank you.